This tutorial presents TextBlob as a Python library which efficiently handles textual data analysis. Through TextBlob, users can access a basic API for executing natural language processing tasks, which includes sentiment analysis and part-of-speech tagging and noun phrase extraction. The library integrates pattern and NLTK functions to provide both novice-friendly interfaces and extensive functionality which suits diverse applications. This section demonstrates TextBlob core functions through examples which showcase its effectiveness in streamlining text analysis processes. The first example demonstrates sentiment analysis because it represents a fundamental method to detect emotional content in written text. A TextBlob object includes a sentiment attribute, which produces a name tuple with two essential measurement values, polarity and subjectivity. The polarity value in TextBlob measures emotional orientation through a float range between negative 1.0 and 1.0, where negative 1.0 indicates strong negativity and 1.0 shows strong positivity. Sentiment analysis results in a near zero polarity score when the text contains neutral emotions. The subjectivity value exists between 0.0 and 1.0, when 0.0 means objective content and 1.0 represents highly subjective information. The functionality enables valuable applications, including social media, conversation, monitoring for public opinion assessment, as well as customer review analysis for improvement detection and news article bias detection. The review this movie was terribly boring and a complete waste of time will reduce a negative polarity score to detect its negative sentiments, while TextBlob is an amazing library. I love using it for NLP. Text will produce a positive result. Text analysis becomes more effective when users understand both the emotional direction and factual evidence within the content. The second example focuses on extracting noun phrases through noun phrases object to identify vital concepts and entities in written documents. A group of words which behaves like a noun in a sentence makes up a noun phrase with a noun accompanied by its modifiers that include adjectives and articles. Through its noun phrases object feature, TextBlob provides fast extraction of essential phrases that review core discussion topics without needing complete sentence grammatical analysis. This functionality helps information extraction text because it enables quick identification of major topics in large text datasets, thus facilitating research paper theme discovery and customer feedback per product feature extraction. When processing the document, machine learning is a fascinating field with many practical applications. TextBlob will extract machine learning and practical applications at its primary noun phrases. TextBlob's noun phrase extraction functionality serves two purposes because it helps both summarize content and establish knowledge graphs through which extracted terms create nodes that demonstrate information relationships. The third example concludes with the word inflection section where we can explain TextBlob's pluralize and singularize methods for pluralization and singularization. The pluralize and singularize functions of TextBlob perform text normalization by producing standardized word forms. Through pluralized, users can turn singular nouns into their plural forms. For example, cats becomes cats, and through singularized, users can convert plural nouns into their singular form. Example, children's becomes child. Text blob provides lemmatization capabilities, but these functions offer basic methods to handle typical word variations. Such functionality proves vital for developing efficient search functions because it enables both dog and dogs matches in a search query for dog. The system uses its functionality to maintain grammatical correctness in text generation systems and enhance analysis models accuracy when processing text data with consistent word forms. The application of singularized to mice produces the correct result mouse because of its ability to manage in regular plural forms. Many complex NLP applications depend on these basic operations to achieve text processing accuracy and overall system coherence. The demonstration ended with gratitude as we aim to demonstrate text blobs wide range of functionalities and effectively.